Hello everyone. Today we will study mollusk. Question 1. What is the role of Ctenidia in mollusk? Answer. Ctenidia are gills that aid in respiration and filter feeding. Question 2. Which mollusk has a spiral shaped shell and is used as a decorative item? Answer. Nautilus. Question 3. What is the characteristic feature of the shell in bivalves? Answer. It is composed of two hinged parts. Question 4. How do cephalopods achieve rapid movement in water? Answer. By jet propulsion using a funnel or siphon. Question 5. Which class of mollusk includes octopus and squids? Answer. Cephalopoda. Question 6. What is the primary mode of locomotion in gastropods? Answer. Crawling using the muscular foot. Question 7. What is the composition of the mollusk shell? Answer. Calcium carbonate. Question number 8. What is the function of the mantle cavity in mollusk? Answer. It houses the gills and serves as a chamber for excretion and reproductive outputs. Question 9. Name a mollusk used as food by humans. Answer. Mussels. Mytilus. Question 10. Which class of mollusk lacks a radula? Answer. Bivalvia. Question 11. The rasping organ in mollusk used for feeding is called the answer radula. Question 12. The class des of mollusca includes squid and octopus. Answer cephalopoda. Question 13. The space between the mantle and the visceral mass is known as the answer mantle cavity. Question 14. The larval stage of most mollusks is called answer trochophore. Question number 15. The excretory organs in mollusks are answer nephridia. Question 16. What is the function of the foot in mollusk? Answer. The foot is used for locomotion and attachment to surfaces. Question 17. Name two examples of gastropods. Answer. Snails and slugs. Question 18. What is the role of siphons in bivalves? Answer. Siphons aid in water circulation for feeding and respiration. Question 19. Why are cephalopods considered advanced mollusks? Answer. They have a well developed nervous system, complex eyes, and active locomotion. Question 20. What is torsion in gastropods? Answer. It is a 180-degree twisting of the visceral mass during development. Question number 21. Explain the process of pearl formation in mollusk. Answer. Pearls form when an irritant, example, a grain of sand, gets trapped inside the shell. The mollusk secretes layers of nacre around it to protect itself, forming a pearl over time. Question 22. Describe the adaptations of cephalopods for predation. Answer. Cephalopods have tentacles with suction cups for capturing prey, a sharp beak for feeding, advanced eyes for vision, and the ability to produce ink to escape predators. Question 23. Differentiate between open and closed circulatory system in mollusk. Answer. In an open circulatory system, blood flows into sinuses, example in bivalves and gastropods, while in a closed circulatory system, blood flows through vessels, example in cephalopods. Question 24. What are the major economic uses of mollusk? Answer. Mollusks are used for food, example oysters, squids, pearl production, example pinctada, and as bioindicators of environmental health. Question number 25. How does locomotion differ in bivalves and gastropods? Answer. Bivalves use a muscular foot to burrow, while gastropods use a muscular foot for crawling. Question 26. Label the parts of a generalized mollusk body plane. Answer. Key parts include the mantle, shell, foot, visceral mass, gills, and radula. Question 27. Identify the structures in a cephalopod's nervous system. Answer. Brain, optic nerves, and ganglia. Question 28. What is the significance of the coiled cell in gastropods? Answer. It provides protection and compact storage for internal organs. Question 29. Illustrate the life cycle of a bivalve. Answer. Egg to trophophore to veliger to adult. Question 30. Compare the feeding mechanism of gastropods and bivalves. Answer. Gastropods use a radula for scraping food while bivalves filter feed using gills. Question 31. Why are mollusks considered coelomates despite their small coelom? Answer. Mollusks have a true coelom around the heart, gonads, and kidneys, fulfilling the criteria for coelomates. Question 32. Discuss the ecological role of mollusks in aquatic ecosystem. Answer. Mollusks contribute to nutrient cycling, serve as prey for many species, act as biofilters, bivalves, and help in habitat formation. Example, coral-like mollusk. Question 33. What are mollusks classified as in terms of animal kingdom taxonomy? Answer. Mollusks belong to the phylum Mollusca. Question 34. Which mollusk is commonly referred to as the cuttlefish? Answer. Sepia. Question 35. What is the primary distinguishing feature of mollusk? Answer. They have a soft, unsegmented body, often enclosed within a calcareous shell. Question number 36. What structure is used by mollusk for feeding? Answer. Radula. Question 37. Which class of mollusk includes clams, oysters, and mussels? Answer. Bivalvia. Question 38. What is the habitat of most mollusks? Answer. Most mollusks are aquatic, but some are terrestrial. Question 39. What is the name of structure that secretes the shell in mollusk? Answer. Mantle. Question 40. What kind of circulatory system do mollusks have? Answer. Most mollusks have an open circulatory system except cephalopods which have a closed circulatory system. Question 41. Which pigment is responsible for oxygen transport in mollusk blood? Answer. Hemocyanin. Question number 42. What is the larval stage of mollusk called? Answer. Trophophore. Question 43. What is torsion in gastropods? Answer. Torsion is a process during larval development in which visceral mass twists 180 degrees, resulting in the repositioning of the body parts. Question 44. Name two economically important mollusks. Answer. Pinctada called pearl oyster and sepia called cuttlefish. Question 45. What is the primary function of the foot in mollusk? Answer. The foot is used for locomotion and anchorage. Question 46. Which class of mollusk is known for having tentacles and a developed nervous system? Answer. Cephalopoda. Question number 47. What is the function of siphons in bivalves? Answer. Siphons help in water circulation for respiration and feeding. Question 48. Which mollusk is capable of producing pearls? Answer. Pearl oyster. Pinctada. Question 49. What is the excretory organs of mollusk called? Answer, Nephridia. Question 50. Which type of symmetry do mollusks exhibit? Answer, bilateral symmetry.